everyone, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to use the Go to XY block to move your sprite to specific positions on the stage. Let's dive right in. Step 1, open Scratch. First, open Scratch by visiting scratch.mit.edu and click on Create to start a new project. This will open the Scratch editor where we'll work. Step 2, choose a sprite. By default, Scratch gives you the Scratch Cat sprite, but you can choose any sprite you like. Just click on the Choose a Sprite button at the bottom right and pick one from the library. I'll stick with the Scratch Cat for this tutorial, but feel free to pick your favorite. Step 3, understand the X and Y coordinate system, 1OF. Before we jump into the code, let's quickly talk about the X and Y coordinate system in Scratch. The stage in Scratch is like a grid. The center of the stage is the point 0, 0, where X is 0 and Y is 0. Moving to the right increases the X value. Moving left decreases it. Similarly, moving up increases the Y value, and moving down decreases it. For example, the top right corner might have an X value of 240 and a Y value of 180. Step 4. Go to the Motion category and find the Go to XY block. Now let's start coding. Go to the Motion category on the left. This is where all the movement blocks are located. Scroll down until you find the Go to XY block. This block allows you to move the sprite to any specific X and Y coordinate on the stage. Step 5. Set coordinates in the Go to XY block. Let's try moving our sprite to the position 100, 100. In the Go to XY block, you can manually type the X and Y values. I'll type 100 for both X and Y, which will move the sprite towards the top right quadrant of the stage. Drag this block into the coding area. Step 6, add an event to trigger the block. To make our sprite move to these coordinates, we need to add an event that triggers the action. Let's go to the Events category and grab the When Green Flag Clicked block. This tells Scratch to move the sprite to the specific coordinates when we click the green flag. Step 7. Test your code. Now it's time to test it. Click the green flag at the top of the stage and watch the sprite jump to the 100, 100 position. You can try changing the values in the block to move the sprite to different areas of the stage. Set position with the block. Here's a quick bonus tip. You can set the sprite's position directly by placing the sprite where you want it on the stage, then dragging the Go to XY block into the coding area. When you do this, Scratch will automatically fill in the X and Y coordinates based on where the sprite is located. This makes it super easy to position your sprite exactly where you want. That's it for today's tutorial on the Go to XY block in Scratch. I hope this helps you add precise movement to your projects. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more fun Scratch tutorials. See you next time!